You can swap from your headphones to your speakers using your Stream Deck and just in your web browser without it affecting your Windows audio. So open up your Stream Deck Marketplace and in the search at the top, type in Win and press enter. Now click on Win Tools, click on Get and click on Open in Stream Deck. Now the first thing you'll want to do is scroll down your list and find Win Tools. You'll see an option called App Playback Device. Now before we drag this over, load up whichever software you want to use this in. So if you want to switch the audio source for your web browser, then load up Google Chrome, Opera, whatever you're using. I'm loading up my Opera browser. Now if we drag the app playback device over, we want to leave the option on the specific application. Now in the application drop down, you should see your browser in there. So for me, it's Opera. If you're using Internet Explorer, Chrome, anything like that, it should appear in that list. Select the option and now select which playback device you want. So if you want to switch from, let's say, headphones to speakers, we will select our headset. Obviously yours will be different to mine there. Now come back up to the title and just put in something like browser. For me it's headphones, so browser head. Now what we want to do here is right click on that button, click on copy, and now paste it to the button next to it. And what that does is it's basically copied everything over that you've just set up. Now from here we want to change the title to speakers. We will leave the application to Opera and then change the playback device to whatever your speakers are. And now what this allows you to do is when you tap those buttons on your Stream Deck, it will toggle from headphones to speakers and vice versa on your browser, and it won't affect your audio output sources in your operating system.